Hi everyone, today we have this platform called Time Doctor, and this is the best workforce analytics platform. So before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses onto the platform. Now you can see currently we are onto the platform, and this is going to be providing you amazing set of features for workforce analytics. So you can see we have overviews for the total time tracked. So time tracking is a key aspect here. You have your top projects that are going on. You haven't checked time yet, so we can see your entries. You have trends, hours tracked, top users, and many other features as well. So dashboard is literally really giving you a bird's eye view of everything that is going on into your project. You can get an employee time track as well, so you have that as well in here. You can see, and to add your invitation you can enter their email addresses in here or paste them all together and it will be added onto that. You can invite by sending a link, so you can share your customized links on your social media platform to add your team members in here. On the top you will be able to see your dashboard and your reports, like for example you have your activity summary. So it is going to be providing you a detailed guide on whatsoever is going on into your company that you have integrated your software with. You have your screencast, so you can add in here that as well. You have edit time. You can modify the time frames for different type of activities. You can see time started, time ended, project, and so on and so forth. So now talking about the platform reviews, you will be amazed to see best time tracking software, great time manager. You can head over to the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses onto the platform called Time Doctor. So make sure to do check out that, and see you guys around in the next video. Subscribe and stay tuned.